If you are thinking of starting your agency or even have 2 to 3 odd clients, this is the right one for you because I'll be guiding you on each and every aspect about getting, closing and delivering clients जिससे आप वो mistakes ना करो जो मैंने पिछले 1 साल में किए हैं. Now, mind you, I am someone who has literally gone from charging rupees 7,000 per client per month. Of that, I could only take 50% payment in advance to building an SMMA that charges like ridiculous north of 1 lakh rupees. और सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट ये है दैट वी चार्ज दिस ridiculous sum of money from Indian clients. Now, throughout this journey, I have realized that the number one reason agencies fail is that they do everything except the basics. For instance, I see these people on Instagram pricing a social media management package for 30,000, but the client's budget is only 15,000. So we reduce the deliverables and sell it to the client, and I can do nothing but control my laugh because they lack direction and the skill to close clients. But you know what they do? They decide कि सब लोग रील्स बना रहे तो हम भी दिन के 5 घंटे रील्स बनाने पे स्पेंड करेंगे. The result? They get likes, they get followers and these you go girl type of comments except for clients. Now, sorry for taking this rant too far, बट अगर आपको एक एक्चुअल एजेंसी में क्लाइंट्स चाहिए यू गेट डाउन टू द रूट्स. सो लेट्स डू इट. So for you to make money out of this SMMA model, you need clients who pay you. The only way to get clients is to have sales calls with them. The only way to have sales calls with them is to make them aware that you provide this service or do your marketing. अब हमें पता है कि SMMA से प्रॉफिट कैसे किया जा सकता है. सो यू नो वॉट, लेट्स गो अहेड एंड इम्प्लीमेंट अ 3 स्टेप फ्रेमवर्क जिससे आपके पास क्लाइंट्स आना शुरू हों. एंड माइंड यू, इफ यू आर स्टार्टिंग एन SMMA, दिस 3 स्टेप फ्रेमवर्क इज ऑल यू हैव टू फॉलो to the roots. The first part of this framework is you deciding whom you'll provide your services, what services would you provide, and what will be your offer and pricing. अब सबसे पहला component, what services you should provide in your SMMA. Now, if you ask me, the 3 services you will be paid the most amount of money for while sitting in India, Pakistan or Bangladesh is Google Ads, Facebook Ads and video editing. Now, reason being that there are very few business owners who actually know how to produce high quality leads for their business. So while they have these brick and mortar businesses that are making multiple 7 figures every month, guess what? They only rely on referrals or that boost post button on Instagram to get leads for them. And that is where you come in. Take care of their marketing and produce results for them. अब इसके बाद क्वेश्चन आता है कि whom will you sell your services or what should be the niche for your agency. Look, I can go all in and tell you the weird niches, but I know it wouldn't work out for you. So the best way to choose a niche is to go with the most common businesses operating around you. However, you know what? Let's build a 3 checkpoint list for choosing your SMMA niche. The first one is that the business sells a product or service at a higher price, so that we have to give them a handful of leads for them to make profit and to retain with you. Now, a very good example of this is interior design firms who charge 20 to 25 lakh rupees per project. The second point, there's a big TAM or total addressable market so that you don't face a lead shortage. अगर आप एक ऐसी नीच में काम कर रहे हो जहाँ पे 20,000 businesses हैं, you will be taking in a mere 0.01% of the TAM even if you acquire 20 clients. Now the third point is that it should be a growing industry, because obviously if you are going in a dying industry trying to revolutionize it with your idea, guess what? you can't do it alone and you're bound to die with it. Now, with that, let me give you a bright idea कि आपके लिए as a beginner कौन सी niches best रहेंगी if you are starting an agency right now. Now, the best niches for you are the industries where Indian people actually go ahead and spend their money. So, industries like healthcare have some really good niches like dentist, hair transplant plant clinics, cataract surgeon, and IVF and fertility related experts. The second best industry where people spend money is education. So, niches like career counselors, study abroad consultants, and coaching institutes are the ones you can go after. इसके अलावा you can choose niches with a high ticket size like as I told you interior designers, construction companies where they get a lot of money by you only giving them a handful of leads for their business. Now with that comes the offer. अगर आप फॉरेन मार्केट्स में क्लाइंट्स क्लोज करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो देन ऑब्वियसली क्रिएटिंग एन ऑफर इज अ वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स इक्वेशन बट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इंडिया में 90% मार्केटिंग एजेंसीज की इतनी हिम्मत ही नहीं है कि वो एक सॉलिड ऑफर और टैंजिबल कस्टमर्स गारंटी कर पाए एंड दैट्स व्हाई winning is a lot easier for someone like you. So instead of you giving an offer that you'll get 20 prepaid appointments and you only pay after the results, and you know what, if you don't get you the results, we'll refund you $1,000 off our pocket. You can simply get away with an offer कि हम आपको 20 to 30 high quality leads ला के देंगे every single month, and if that doesn't happen in a month, we'll just work for free with you till we get you that result. Now the last part is pricing. If you don't have any experience running ads or you haven't worked with any client in your niche, the pricing for your services should be around 10 to 15,000 per month. As you get clients, you increase it to 20,000 per month, and as you get more clients, get results for your clients, you transition to a stage that basically I'm at, where we don't sell anything per month and instead we sell a bare minimum of 2 to 3 month contracts with everything upfront. Now the second part of the 4-step framework is to book meetings and do marketing for your SMMA. Now you can do outreach, which with all due respect, I hate outreach to get clients for my agency because it drains a lot of my time and मुझे वहाँ से कोई replies नहीं आते, and even if I get it, those are not the clients who can pay me the amount I usually charge for my services. But of course, you can cold call, cold DM or cold email people as a part of outreach. Key things, just beware of these 3 things when you are outreaching to clients. The first one is that you are hell confident on cold calls and qualify people before booking a call with them. The second point, you are being straightforward while approaching people on DMs or emails and skip the how are you doing kind of things. The third part is that outreach is a simple game of numbers. You got to do volume if you want to actually earn money and sign clients by doing outreach to people. अब मेरी एजेंसी में आई हैव क्लोज 100% ऑफ माई क्लाइंट्स थ्रू मेटा एड्स. मैंने स्टार्ट किया था 200 पर डे से, from which I got 6 clients. Even I have a YouTube video describing the complete process. But now we are at a stage where we spend crazy amounts of money on ads every day. Look, मेरी approach बहुत simple है. If I can put 1 rupee in ads and get 18 rupees back, you know what? I can put 1,000 rupee in and get 18,000 rupees back. But you know the most fun part? That I can put 1 lakh rupee in, following that same approach I can get 18 lakh rupees back. And basically that's why I prefer ads over any kind of outreach. Now you have your choices, but if you want to use ads to get SMMA clients, I'll break it down in just 2 simple steps. The first step, always use a 1-minute video ad of yourself calling out your niche, then their pain points, your solution, and a call to action of filling the instant form at last. The second part, for targeting, use interests that your niche follows. For example, interior design, if you're targeting interior designers, and then double it down with Facebook page admins. Now, the third part is sales. You only need to remember one thing about sales to get clients for your agency. You can only and only sell your service if the client realizes these three things: why you are the best for them, why you are different for them, and why now is the right time to get started. The caveat being, your client has to realize it themselves without you trying to force sell them, offer crazy discounts or sneaky time bound guarantees. अब मैं सब कुछ बता ही रहा हूँ, तो here's the 3-step checklist you follow during sales calls to actually close clients. The first step, you build rapport. Ask them how they are doing, where they're calling from, and all that basic stuff. The second thing, ask what's their biggest problem, current situation, why they are not able to solve this problem, what have they tried in the past to solve this, why do they want to solve it right now, and what's their desired situation. Now, at last, the third step is to pitch your solution, bringing in points from what they told you earlier, and make sure to take a deposit from the clients. The one thing that I've learned is, if a client hops off the call, they are never coming back to pay you if you are charging high ticket. अब हमने 3-step framework तो देख लिया है, but let's take my own SMMA into picture and let's see what we have done in this month. इससे आपको एक बहुत अच्छा आइडिया मिलेगा about how much work you have to put in with your agency and how many results can you get out of it. Now, as you can see on your screen right now, we spent a total of 2,770 rupees on ads, and mind you, this is very less as compared to other months, which means that इस महीने मैंने बहुत कम sales calls किए हैं as compared to other months, and the reason for that is YouTube. So right now till 6th of June we have spent 2,770 rupees, and out of that we have generated some 102 leads for our company, and out of that we have booked 29 calls with a cost per call of 96 rupees till now aggregate for these 6 days. And right now we have done a total of 11 sales calls at a cost per call of 251 rupees, and out of that we have made one sale for our company at a ticket price of 80,000 rupees, and basically we have collected a cash of 10,000, which is a token amount. The rest of the amount basically comes after like 2 or 3 days of collecting the cash. So this is the framework, and if you see the ROI that we have made, so it's like हमने 2,770 rupees spend की and we have made 80,000 rupees out of it. And if you see the ROI over here, that's like a 77,000 rupees straight profit, and if you see the percentage, that's like a 2787% ROI that we are receiving on our paid ads right now. With that, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of getting clients through paid ads and get to a stage where you are acquiring 6 to 7 clients by spending 2,000 rupees in your initial stages, this is the video for you, and I'll see you in the next one.